In this video, we're going to be deriving reduction formulas. So we're going to simplify this expression. The cosine of theta minus 3 pi over 2. So here we can see that we have a difference formula for cosine. Let's recall what that formula is. So here we can see that our u is our theta and our v is our 3 pi over 2. So we can plug those into our formula. From here, in order to figure out what the cosine of 3 pi over 2 is and the sine of 3 pi over 2, we're going to need a unit circle. So looking on our unit circle, we can find 3 pi over 2, which is right here. So the cosine of 3 pi over 2 is going to be 0, and our sine of 3 pi over 2 is going to be -1. And so now we can take those and we can plug those into our values at cosine of 3 pi over 2 and sine of 3 pi over 2. Now we need to simplify. The cosine of theta times 0 is just going to be 0, so we don't need to write that down. And the sine of theta times -1 is going to be negative sine of theta. And that's as simple as we can get it. So we've just simplified the cosine of theta minus 3 pi over 2.